her to say it more often, leave us a comment. I probably know what the answer is going to be. You're going to want her to talk more than me.
I gotta throw them off.
It works. So, tonight, first we showed a whip for our weekly West Coast Swing class here next. Your basic whip is an 8 count. Pull her in 1, 2. She does a coaster step. Guys get on the track. Pivot turn. Walk, walk. Send her back down to where she started. Okay? So we did explain that in the class. So one more time again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Pull her in. Coaster. Make a pivot turn. Send her back. The other way. This changes. I call this move, based on how I remember it, and 6. Why? Because the key to making this thing cool and different is on the 6th count. So, you get to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All the same. I'm on my left, Stephanie's on her right. Go in this direction, front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go in this direction just to see that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I need to do after 4 is what I normally would do. Make her turn to her right on 5, putting her weight on her left foot, and I step back to the right, like I'm going to let her go by me, put my weight on my foot. So going to 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. I'm on my right, Stephanie's on her left. This is where the N6 takes place. The cool part, give it the thumbs up. You haven't seen this cool part yet, but give it a thumbs up based on trust. You like it. And remember to subscribe, free video. So after we get to 5, the N6 takes place. We're going to do that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Stephanie's now on her left. I'm on my right. There's a whole lot going on there. Ball change, I'm using our body, counterclockwise circulation, a lot of stuff. So we're getting to 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And if you notice, Stephanie's got her left arm up on my right shoulder, which is also just for stability and also for comfort. But that's important for both of us. Got my right arm underneath her left shoulder blade. So what you're going to do, guys, if Stephanie stays right there, I'm actually going to flip up and over counterclockwise for 2 counts. So it's hard to do slow, but 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'm actually lifting her up and then putting onto her left foot. And I'm taking my 2 steps in place. So it's pretty cool. She's not expecting it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'm also using my left hand to guide her and pull her forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right? From there, that's the hardest part. So you guys got to get that ball change up and over. All right, we'll show you the rest. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. All right. You can end it however you wish. This is how we do it. It just fits for the pattern. So go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 up and over. Ball change. She's on the left. What I'm going to do is take my left hand, clockwise rotation, triple, step and go back. Turn back the other way. It's pretty cool. With that ball change, you got to lead it well. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And we'll go this direction because she ends up on the other side. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 9 and 10. One more time this way. So the ball change obviously is the key to the 6th count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, Stephanie stays there. I'm just lifting, pulling forward, and 6. And then right? That was cool. I didn't expect that. That was cool. That's why she's so good. So it's a cool move, guys. It's a quick move. Shouldn't take that long to learn, but again, the video is there for you to take as much time as you need to learn it. There's so many other videos on there. Please go back and look at other ones. We'll have something cool for you next week, 2 weeks, many in the past. Thank you for your time. Please use it. Whether you compete, social dance, our love for dance is why we do it. So until next time, have a great week and keep dancing. She threw me off again.
Bye.